Welcome to the most important lesson for any new UGC creator, escaping the $200 trap. We are breaking down exactly why brands don't give you repeat gigs and how you can shift from being a freelancer to a valued partner. Picture this. You finish a project, you send the files, and you receive the payment notification. It feels great, right? But here is the catch. The biggest trap in UGC isn't low pay, it's one-time pay. This pattern leads directly into the cycle of constantly starting over with every client. Because every time you finish a project and disappear, you effectively reset your income back to zero. You're constantly hustling for new clients, never benefiting from the momentum you just built. And here is the core issue most creators miss. This isn't a content problem, it's a relationship problem. You look back at your old clients and see unreturned emails because the conversation ended the moment the video was delivered. Brands don't come back because you never gave them a reason to, you never transitioned from being a hired task doer to a strategic partner. What does this missing partnership look like in action? It's the absence of strategic thought. There was no follow-up, no discussion of how the content performed, and no new ideas tailored to their ongoing needs. Brands will keep replacing you if you only focus on delivery and not on their business goals. Delivery is just the starting line, not the finish line, when you want consistent, long-term retainers. The file is sent, and then you sit and wait, hoping they come back. Hope, however, is not a strategy. Just delivery and delivery alone doesn't build careers. Strategic partnership does. If you want to move beyond the one-time $200 gigs and build reliable monthly income, the solution is simple. Think like a partner, not a freelancer. Bring new ideas, discuss strategy, and offer solutions. If you want brands to come back instead of replacing you, subscribe now and start building the career you deserve.